Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Freshsales for custom fields and permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open your Freshsales account and log in. Navigate to the admin settings section on the left sidebar. Select custom fields from the options available.
Click on the Create Field button to initiate the process of adding a new custom field.
Choose the type of custom field you want to create, such as text, number, or dropdown.
Fill in the required details for the custom field, including the name and description. Set the visibility options for the field to determine who can see it.
Once completed, save your custom field. Next, go back to Admin Settings. Select Roles and Permissions from the options. Identify the specific role you want to modify and click on it.
In the Permissions settings, locate the section for Custom Fields.
Find your newly created custom field in the list.
Adjust the permissions associated with that field, deciding who can view or edit it. Be sure to save any changes made to the roles and permissions. Now, test your custom field to ensure it displays correctly for users with the designated role. Log in as a user with that specific role to confirm the field's visibility and accessibility. If everything appears as intended, you've successfully authorized Freshsales for custom fields and permissions. Now you can efficiently manage your data and improve user access according to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.